Hello everyone, if you don't want to play Halo Campaign Evolved when your game keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved crashing on your computer easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go into your username and then you're going to click on to support here. And here you're going to click on to gaming services repair tool. Now click start repairing on here. And now it's going to look for the issue and it's going to try to fix it on its own. You're going to wait for this process to complete. It can take a minute or two. While it's doing this process, you're going to go ahead and open up your Steam. And now you're going to right click on Halo Campaign Evolved, click properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, now you're going to close this up and then you're going to open up the Xbox app again. Once this process is done, you're going to click close on here. And now you're going to sign out of your Xbox account. So click sign out here and then close the Xbox app. Now restart your computer. Once you're done with the computer restart, you're going to open up the Xbox app again. You're going to sign into your account. Once you're done signing in, now minimize the Xbox app and now go ahead and try to play Halo Campaign Evolved and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face that crashing problem anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.